Did you know? In Bergrun Skurdur, even music is forged with the strength of iron. Dwarves craft their instruments, flutes, drums, and even chimes from iron, blending music with metalwork. During celebrations, these instruments come alive, filling the halls with music that resonates like the heartbeat of the mountains. It's not just music, it's a tradition that ties them to the iron veins of the Iron Peak Mountains. In Bergrun Skurdur, music isn't just heard, it's felt. Want to discover more dwarven wonders? Follow us for more stories from Atharia.